Hi, good evening. So, Revati, is it
Hello, sir.
audible? Is it audible?
Yeah, yeah. Now it is audible. Now it is
Audible.
audible.
Acha, okay. So, what is your today's learning about map is not the territory? Anything which you came across which is interesting, which you can share with people?
Yeah, I can share.
Hmm.
जैसे हम बच्चों को बोलते हैं ना कि
Ah,
बहुत बार ऐसा होता है हमारे बच्चे छोटे होते हैं तब
hmm.
हम हमारे कन्वीनियंस के लिए उनको बहुत बार होता है कि हम मोबाइल थमा देते हैं, टीवी थमा देते हैं, टीवी देख रहे हैं बच्चे। लेकिन जब हमारा काम हो जाता है तो हम सोचते हैं कि उन्होंने वो छोड़ के हमारा तुरंत हमारे पास आ जाना चाहिए या वो
Yeah.
आई थिंक विच इज नॉट गुड।
Yes, yes,
कि
yes.
हम थोड़े से डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स लगाते हैं।
Yes.
तो इस हिसाब से हमको ये सोचना चाहिए कि अभी हाँ हमने उसको दिया है तो हमने भी वो देखना चाहिए कि हमारा बच्चा उसमें से क्या अच्छा सीख पाए। वी शुड
Very
ट्रेन
nice.
देम लाइक दैट।
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, very nice. Shantanu, is there any learning from map is not the territory? Is there anything interesting which happened today where you are not able to live up to the expectation of the others map, or people were not able to understand your map?
Sir, I actually one such experience was in our group itself, like when the discussion was in the morning going on about you calling you sir and everything.
That's map. Map.
So,
So we are the
yes,
opposite of the map.
uh,
Very nice, very nice. Very nice
so I
example. Very
literally
nice
got
example. See what happens?
confused there
Yeah,
because
no.
you also
What happened
commented I
here?
respect your map and
Yeah.
uh,
So I will tell you. I will tell you one nice incident. Okay. So when wherever I go for training, even for 12th standard students, okay, when I go for giving any motivational lecture and all, I used to tell the students when I talk with them, I used to tell them, don't call me sir, call me Shiva, so that they will openly start talking like a friend. Okay. Certain children immediately they understand what we mean by it. Okay. Even 12th standard children they used to call me by name. Okay. Sometimes they use the name and call, hi Shiva, how are you? Okay. There is one particular school in Chennai. Okay. There, even when the correspondent comes, the children will address him by his name. Okay. It is an international school. The children, even fifth standard, sixth standard children, when they meet the correspondent, they will call the correspondent by name. At the same time, the children will call the teachers as ma'am and sir. So that is, we have to teach the kids where you have to behave in what way. Okay, so that we are not coming into a programming. It is when you go to a corporate company, you call the boss as by in his name, isn't it? So no problem. Uh, so let us ask Abhishek. Abhishek, hi Abhishek. Abhishek, Abhishek, can I have you on the line? Hi. Okay, it is difficult for me also to.
Good evening,
Yeah,
sir.
no problem, no problem, no problem. See, let us not go into that. Okay, so whatever you want to call, you can call me like that. Other than that, I want to know: is there any other interesting thing happened today as far as map is not the territory is concerned? Anyone can open your mic and share the thing wherein you came across this particular difference of opinion, wherein you are not able to understand the other's map or your own map, you are not able to understand. sometimes ये भी होता है ना कि हमारा map जो है we are not able to understand our own map. Sometimes it happens. Yeah, anyone can share.
Sir, I want to share.
Yes, go
Miraj
ahead.
from
Go ahead, Miraj.
last night I talked with a client, psychological client, my regular best, and
Okay.
when she was suffer sexual harassment. Firstly, when he talked with me, he said that I am you or something. He don't believe counseling that it can changing anything. And I have the map in my mind that I will not never feel more sad after counseling, because I feel that all are good, all are acceptable. But last night when I talked with her, she explained her many problems, and in the morning I feel more sadness. Even 11 o'clock, 11 a.m., 5 hours in morning, I feel so sad about his matter. That is break my map. That
Okay. Okay, your voice is not that much audible, Miraj. I will go to Abhishek. Abhishek, how are you, Abhishek?
I'm good, sir.
Hi, Abhishek. Abhishek, can you share
my map
anything
was
about?
that I was counseling, but today was same. That is a new.
Okay, Miraj. Now let us talk with Abhishek. Abhishek, can you throw some light on map is
Sorry,
not
sir.
the
I
territory?
don't have.
What is your experience?
Although I missed yesterday's session.
So yesterday's session you missed. Okay, I will call you and update you. Okay, Abhishek,
Yes.
I will call you and update you. So we have only 2 more minutes. Anyone can just open your call and share. Map is not the territory. Anyone can just open your mic and share. Yeah, Ayushi, come on.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, generally I used to make chocolates and everything. It is my passion to do something.
Wow, that's great.
So I used to think that whatever I'm doing the best in my way. But
Okay.
today, suddenly, I met someone. We were talking on Zoom session. During the session, my workshop, I met that person. And then I was sharing my recipe, and then there I was discussing कि नहीं ये ऐसे होता है ये वैसे होता है in typical the way we used to. But there I felt like the way I am doing, but the way she is doing is much better. So there I extended my map that when I think that when I am teaching someone that is good, can
Very
even
nice.
teach me on in a better way.
Very
So
nice. Very
today I
nice.
got a new recipe and I learned a new thing.
Yeah, so hope when we meet Ayushi, we all will be able to taste the new chocolates. Yeah. So Priya is
Definitely.
joining. Okay. So
Yes.
today we are going to talk about some important aspect from NLP. Okay. So okay. So I want every one of you to just share your thoughts on this. Okay. Share your thoughts on this one by one. Okay. Now one by one you can share. Yeah, Aishi can share. Aishi, I have something written on the screen. Okay. Can you just tell what are the things which you respect in your life? What are the things you
I
don't
respect others' thoughts.
I respect
I
others'
respect
thoughts.
others' thoughts.
Okay.
What I don't respect is the superstition.
Superstition. Acha, okay. So here respect means, I will tell you one thing. Whatever you
Yes.
respect, it stays with you. Okay. Whatever you respect, it stays with you. So let us try to understand what are the aspects we respect in our own self, and what are the respects what are the things we respect in the world. Okay. Other people, let it be thoughts, emotions, thinking, anything, behavior. Okay. So Aishi has shared. Yeah. Next, Priya. Priya, can you tell what are the things you respect and what are the things you don't respect?
See, Shiva, just now I joined. I just now I joined the Shiva. What are the
Just
things I
what are the things you respect?
Yeah, the things what I respect is the people who giving values to me.
Value to you. Okay. What are the things you do? What you don't respect?
Uh, if how can I say? If someone is not respecting the way what respect me.
Okay. Priya, Revati.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Revati.
Uh,
What
uh,
are the things you respect? There is no need that you have to tell only one. Okay. You can just one by one. You can tell what are the things which you usually respect.
I usually respect people's space, for space
Okay.
in their personal life, because
Okay.
because मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि सामने वाले ने मेरे पर्सनल स्पेस को रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए,
ठीक है. Okay. So
और ऐसा नहीं होता तो मुझे बड़ी तकलीफ होती.
ठीक है. Okay. So only what you respect you can share. Okay. What you don't respect.
Not giving respect to सामने वाला जो है उसके पर्सनल स्पेस को रिस्पेक्ट ना देना.
ठीक. ठीक है. Abhishek, what are the things you respect in your life?
The most I respect is loyalty.
Okay.
People who are loyal to you, like some clients who are loyal to you.
Okay.
And for disrespect, I'd say people who are not straightforward, like diplomatic people.
Diplomatic people. Yeah, very nice.
अभी मैं
बहुत
जाना.
बढ़िया आपने कहा. Yeah. Okay. So that's very nice of putting. Kiran, what are the things you respect in your life? What are the things you respect in your life?
सर मैं रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ दूसरे की थॉट्स और वैल्यूज को.
Okay.
और अगर कोई मतलब मेरी फीलिंग्स को नहीं समझता है तो मुझे मतलब मन नहीं करता है रिस्पेक्ट करने का उनको.
अच्छा. Okay. So Raja Mouli. Raja Mouli, sir. Raja Mouli. Yeah. Raja Mouli, can I have you online? So, Raja, what are the things you respect in the? What are the things you respect? Your mic is.
Unmute
I think.
yourself. Unmute yourself, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So you have to unmute your phone. Okay. Okay. Yeah, please go ahead, sir. Raja, sir. Sir, what are the things you respect? I think again. Okay. Shall we have Vinita? Vinita Singh. Vinita.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
There are many things which I respect in my life.
Yeah.
I respect nature. I respect my parents. I respect my values. I respect the discipline in life. I respect all the sensibility in being human. I respect. And what I don't respect is insensible when people are behaving in different way and when people are disturbing nature. So that I
Okay.
don't respect. So many
Manjuna.
things are there which I respect.
Okay. So when I say what are the things you respect, that is, you can tell the top three things which you respect. Yeah, Manjunath, can I have you online? Manjunath?
Yes, sir, I'm online.
Yeah, Manjunath, can you tell me what are the things you respect in your life? The top three.
Top three, I respect my brain.
Okay.
And I respect my brain thoughts only of positive things.
Okay, then.
And I respect others' view on what they're thinking.
Super. Okay, only two more persons I ask. Okay, only two more members. Aditi. Yeah, Aditi.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What are the things you respect in your life?
So, the things I respect in my life. So, myself and my parents.
Myself. That is the very nice thing I have been waiting to hear. Okay, I respect myself. Okay, that is the very actually it should top in the list. When I say the top three, okay, respecting our own self. That is great. Then
Answer my parents.
parents. Okay. Then the top three.
Top three. So basically, I try to respect the people who are my friends or who are around me.
Okay, very nice, very nice. So now I would like to put a question here, okay,
Yes,
which
sir.
people can answer. Whoever has told so far, okay. I have not asked the question to everyone. I have asked the question only to a few. I asked the question. The question is why no one has told money. I respect money. Why it has not come? Why you have not mentioned money as the thing which you respect? Why? Whether it should be in the top three or it is not required. The first thing is whether it is required or not required. Whether it is required in the list or it is not required in the list. Okay. For some people that may be in the top three. Okay. For some people at least in the top 10. Can you tell why you have not used that word money? Can anyone tell? Anyone can just
Sir,
open your mic and talk.
I didn't
Yeah.
money because for me, money is something it's required, but it's not something I respect. It's like it's not if somebody has so much money, so I'll respect that person or something. I guess respect is like something earned. So like money is like a secondary thing. It is needed, but it's not something we respect in this like in a respectful way or something.
So okay. I respect
So
your man.
I want to speak. I believe that nowadays relationships are impacting a lot to our mentality. We actually don't keep forth the money first. Yes, money is the secondary need, but it is essential, as we know that Maslow talks about it. But self-esteem is after, which comes after money. But I think social and psychological relationship is much more impactful nowadays. That's why we don't talk about money comes.
Okay, very nice, very nice. How many of you have visited jewelers? Okay, how many of you have visited jewelers? Okay, when they come into the jewelry shop, okay, when they open the jewelry shop, what they usually do? What they usually do? They open the box, okay, the money box, okay. They pray the box. They pray the box. See, there will be a photo of Buddha will be there. If you go to a Marwadi shop, there will be a Buddha photo. There will be. They are very pious people. They are very pious people. They are very God-fearing people. But when they open their shop, they first किसको प्रणाम करेगा? उसको प्रणाम करेगा. Then they start the work. Okay. Now we are going to see a very wonderful NLP presupposition today. Wanted to, as a cursor raiser, I asked this question. So what is the thing which we are going to see today is one of the very beautiful presupposition. The presupposition is your energy flows where your attention goes. Your energy flows where your attention goes. This is one of the very primary presupposition which has been dealt at length by many famous NLPians, particularly if you take the works of Tony Robinson. Tony Robinson has has moved from a very, just from a speaker to a millionaire. From a speaker to millionaire, yes, rose. And he has spoken at length about this particular presupposition of NLP. Your energy flows where your attention goes. I asked you people to keep a paper, okay? Just I want you to, I will give you 2 minutes time. I will give you 2 minutes time. I want you to take today and yesterday into account, okay? Take your today and yesterday into account, okay? And tell me where your attention has flown most of the time when you were not sleeping, okay? When you were not sleeping, where you have put most of your attention, okay? You can write it in hours, okay? For 20 minutes, my attention has flown in this area. For 10 minutes, my attention has flown on this area, okay? What are the areas in which your attention has flown? I want you to write, okay? 24 hours, we will divide it into 3. 8 hours we sleep, okay? So, balance we have 16 hours, okay? In 16 hours, reduce 4 hours. 4 hours will go in eating this and that, okay? Delete it. So balance we have 12 hours, okay? In this 12 hours, please write, where did you spend your energy? Where did you spend your energy? Where your attention has gone? Where and all your attention has gone? 2 minutes time. Please do it. I want you to write it in the paper. 12 hours. First, think about yesterday. Then think about today. It will take a maximum 2 to 3 minutes. Ariba.
Sir, done.
Okay, team. Okay, team. The time is up. The time is up. Okay. Now, first let us discuss about this particular slide. Then we will discuss about what you have written. First, let us discuss about what is in the slide. Okay. So we can live our life, okay, in 2 ways. One is transformational life. The another one is a transactional life. Morning we are getting up. We are talking with someone, talking. Night we are sleeping. One is transactional. The other one is transformational. That is, morning onwards, whatever I talk, whatever I do, I aim at 3 types of transformation. 3 types of transformation is emotional growth, intellectual growth, physical growth. Physical growth means physical fitness. Physical growth and financial growth. Emotional, intellectual, physical, and financial. Okay. In these 4 areas, our attention can go. We can put our attention in all these 4 areas. That is transformational. So there are 2 types of people. Okay. The people who are successful in their life, they are transformational. Every day they learn something. For example, today, the people who have been spending their time, whenever they talk, if map is not their territory, if it comes in their mind, I should be flexible. If it is coming to their mind, that means they want to transform themselves. So they are working on transforming themselves emotionally, which will definitely bring them the other 3 areas. All the 4 areas are interrelated. All the 4 areas are interrelated. All the 4 areas are interrelated. Now, the second one is growth oriented. The other one is they feel energetic. They focus on solutions. The other one is transactional. They spend the time. Usually they may be telling, "Arey, boring life, yaar, time nahi chalta hai. Time is not moving." Okay. People focus on problem. Okay. Now take your 12 hours. Okay. Whether the 12 hours yesterday and today, how many hours have gone on transformational aspects, growth oriented aspects, and how many hours has gone on transactional aspects which jet well. Suppose even if you are in office, okay, suppose someone has asked me in the chat, sir, whether I have to include in if I am in office. Even when you are in office, okay, we can work as a transformational person. For example, today I work 8 hours in my office, okay. I may be having only 4 hours work. The rest of the, suppose I have 7 hours work. Let me take, I have 7 hours of work, 1 hour free. In that 1 hour free, what I'm doing? I can try to learn what the other person is doing, or I can try to see how I can make my own work easier, or I can see how I can grow to the next position. What are the skills are required to go to the next position, for which I can plan and I can work on it. I can discuss with people. Suppose last time I was conducting a training program wherein 12 IT guys were participating. Okay, 12 IT guys. I asked them, they told, sir, all the 12 hours, okay, daily in our office, all the 12 hours we spend in a transformational way only. Okay. Then I asked them, okay, what are your specializations? Okay. And one guy told, sir, my specialization is doing work in Excel. Okay. His name is Suresh. I asked, okay, Suresh, how many of your friends, okay, when they are in office, they have come to you and they have asked you, Suresh, can you teach me Excel? The bar chart, okay, all the other aspects. Simply people may be able to operate Excel, but Excel going to the next level, okay. How many of your friends have so far, they have come and discussed with you? He told, sir, no one has discussed with me so far. And I have asked him, okay, whether your friends, whether they chit chat in your office? Yeah, I too do it, sir. But no one has ever thought that we can utilize those times for this kind of activities. No one has thought. And no one has asked me so far. So, transformation. Now, keep this in your mind. Okay, keep this in your mind and tell me, take whatever you have written in your paper, okay, the 2 days, okay. How many hours, percentage of your time has spent in transformational way? How many hours have been spent on transactional aspects in your life? Okay. Now I will ask. Okay, let me. Arushi. Arushi, can you come online?
Sir, explain the transactional once more, please.
Which one? Which one? Transactional. Hello?
Transactional. Yes.
Transactional means just talking with people. I go outside and I talk, see what happened today. Do you know what happened in Kerala? Do you know what happened in Mumbai about Corona? just spending time in talking, transaction. Just I talk with you and you talk with me, which is not taking us to our next level. That is emotionally, intellectually, financially, physically. Okay, it is not taking us to the next level, which is just a transaction. Okay, that is transaction. And transformational is when you talk, when you spend your time, that time takes you to the next level. Somewhat you learn more, gain more, you grow emotionally, intellectually, physically, and financially. Now, financial aspect may not be available in everything, but wherever you grow intellectually and emotionally, in a long run, only those things will give you the financial aspect. If you are not daily growing intellectually and emotionally, after 1 year, what you are today, the same thing you will be. Now today we are learning NLP. So next year definitely, because now we are working towards your mind and body. So next year definitely there will be some financial gain because of learning NLP. Because this is transformational. This 1 hour what we spend, it is transformational. Because we are going to the next level emotionally, intellectually, physically, and financially. It may not be available now, but in the long run it will come, even physical also. So the time is going. If the call is cut in between now, please come to the WhatsApp group. Okay, we will be doing the exercise on energy when we come to the group. Arushi, can you share now how much percentage of your time is spent in transformational and how much time is spent on transactional?
I would say 50-50.
50-50. That's very nice. Okay.
50.
Batmaja? Batmaja?
Yes, sir. I also think it will be around, I've spent around 60% on transactional and 40 informational.
That is very nice. That is very nice. Gurdish? Gurdish? Gurdish Kaur? Gurdish Kaur? Or Sana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Gurdish, what is your percentage? Transformational and transactional?
I think 10% transformational.
10% transformational?
Yes.
90% transactional?
No.
Huh.
No.
Yeah. Please tell.
I think rest of focus on problem.
Acha, okay. Shall I have Asta Singh on the line? Asta Singh on the line?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Transformational and transactional.
So I basic spend 55% on transactional and rest on the transformational.
Okay. So if at all we want to be successful in our life, okay. If at all we want to be successful in our life, Sakshi Tyagi. Shall I have you on call, Sakshi Tyagi? Yeah,
Yes,
Sakshi,
sir.
if at all one has to be successful in life, okay, where most of the time has to be spent, whether in the first one or in the second one?
Informational.
It is transformational, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So today the presupposition which we have learned is tomorrow onwards, which we have to put it into account. Whenever we do whatever we do, okay, just think of this: your energy flows where your attention goes. Now your attention has to go in transformational way. If your attention goes in the transactional way, your energy will be wasted. Now we are using the word energy. What is energy? We will feel the energy in the exercise, which we will be doing it in the WhatsApp group. The moment that meeting comes to an end, okay, please report to the group, okay. So today onwards, one more thing, one more presupposition, one more aspect which we have to keep in our mind is, we have to see that we spend our energy on the transformational ways. Now the question is it possible? Is it possible? Suppose if I say today onwards we have to spend, okay, our time on the transformational way, so that our energy, when it flows in the transformational way, when our attention goes to the transformational way, our energy starts flowing there and we can get the growth. We can get growth in all the 4 areas. Okay. Now, is it possible? And is it possible? This is what my question. Nidhi Bandaru. Can I have you on the line? Nidhi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So is it possible, Nidhi, to apply this presupposition in life? Your energy flows where your attention goes. So let me be careful where my attention goes, so that my energy flows in the proper direction, that is transformational way. Is it possible?
So I feel that a lot of times we will get distracted from the direction, and we'll have to keep catching ourselves and coming back to the path. It's a
Very
practice.
nice.
It's a muscle to build.
Super, super. So can you tell me any one personality, okay, any one personality who has succeeded in life, okay, who might have followed this particular principle in their life?
Like, I think a lot of the film stars do that. They stay more focused on what they
Very
have
nice.
to do, and with whatever they are dealing with, they keep that aside, and the attention is on what has to be done at that moment, at that time.
Very, very nice, very nice, very nice. So shall I have Kausi Mohan? Kaushi?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, Kaushi. Abdul Kalam. If I say Abdul Kalam has followed this particular aspect, that is, your
Yes,
energy
sir.
flows where your attention goes, and he was always concentrating himself on transformational way wherever he was, whether he was in the presidential garden morning when after getting up for the morning walk, or whether he is in the college, or whether he is traveling, along with his people to some schools or colleges, wherever he was, he followed this particular principle, is what I feel. What do you feel, Kaushik?
Yes, sir. True.
Transformational way.
Yes, sir. He was following transformational way only because he was productive throughout the day. He could achieve what he actually wanted to.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Can I have Suganya online? Suganya?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, Suganya, how we can implement this on our day-to-day life? Can you tell me any one or two ways where we can apply this? We'll be going to see that extensively in the group, in the WhatsApp. Can you suggest any one thing now? We have 1 more minute.
Yeah, it's like whenever you're doing anything, have your have yourself into it. Don't do it for the sake of doing it. When automatically, you will get your innovative thoughts and you will be productive on whatever it is. Say it cooking, or say it a household, or say it your work, or you are skill building, or whatever it is.
Okay, very nice. Thank you very much, team. Now it is last 1 minute. Okay, so please come to the WhatsApp. Now we are going to see actually the energy. Now we are using a word energy here. What is energy? What do we mean when I say energy? Okay, this we will see it. Okay, so energy, it is available within ourselves and in the universe, which we will see it. Please come to the group. Thank you, team. Thank you very much. Thank you, team. Please report to group. Please report to group.